Hello coffeeholics, welcome back. We are going to make hot caramel macchiato, and don't forget that all the recipes are in my book, The Basic Barista. And in here it says for caramel macchiato, espresso 1 ounce or 30 milliliter of espresso, 1 shot. And then we are going to use about 4 ounces or 1/2 cup of steamed milk and caramel syrup 1/2 ounce. That is our recipe for all three that we are going to make today. And for the syrups, we are going to compare 3 brands. One is Torani, Starbucks, and Monin. So 3 popular brands here. We're going to use the same recipe, the same coffee, which will be this time my medium roast because I'm going to make hot coffee, and fresh milk. For this video clip, I'm going to invite Cristiano once again to help us do a review of these 3 syrups. I'm going to pull 3 shots of espresso for each of my cups, so 1 shot per cup. I have here a double basket. This is a really heavy machine. I'm going to use double basket to pull 2 shots of espresso. I'm going to use this because this is easy for me to pour into my caramel macchiato later because it's got this spout here. So allow me to use this, okay? Two shots. And because I have this heavy duty machine, I can make another one at the same time. For this, I'm using a single basket, so only 1 shot. I've got my espresso shots, now it's time to steam the milk. And I will include my syrup when I steam the milk. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Yeah. Today you are going to give us your review of these 3 syrups. She doesn't know what the brands are, but these are 3 caramel macchiato, hot caramel macchiato. It's just coffee, milk, and the syrup. So let's start by reviewing. These are the 3 syrups in front. So maybe you could tell us a little bit what you think of the color and the smell.
The color of this one is the darkest and this one's the lightest. Yeah.
Okay.
And in terms of smell, oh, this one's very caram. This one's very caramelly. It's probably my favorite one.
Already?
In terms of scent. Yeah.
Even before you taste
Yeah,
it?
because I think this one has a caramelly scent, but it smells quite artificial and you can really smell the sugar. And this one doesn't smell of anything at all. Yeah.
You see? That smells really nice. I see what you mean. Okay.
Do you agree?
I agree with everything she said.
Okay, now taste.
It's down to the taste.
Okay, we'll go in the same order. Okay. Oh. Okay, this is a tough one between these two, I would say. This one's nice. There is a little bit of a caramel flavor, but it's just like a hint of it. So actually, if I were to pick a daily one, this would actually be my choice. I don't know, that's dangerous, but yeah, I mean, I would accept this as a daily one. I would accept, that's different to choosing. Yeah, I think I would choose this as my daily one. Yeah, if I go to a shop and they gave me this as a caramel macchiato, I'd be okay, just okay with it. Yeah, and this one, actually. So this was the strongest scent. This one wasn't as strong, but actually when you drink it, it's a lot more caramel than this one. This one's a lot sweeter. Yeah, it's just sweet. So if you think about it, this has got the caramel scent, but the taste is sweet, whereas this one, you can actually taste the caramel as well. So well, I would pick this one as my favorite one, yeah.
Rank them according to taste, scent, look.
I'd say 1, 2, and 3. Yeah.
Okay. So that's 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah.
Would you like to know what they are? What syrups they are?
Yep.
Okay.
Let's go.
What do you call this? The big reveal. The big reveal. Okay. Let's start with her least favorite one. Okay.
Yeah. It's not like in the other reviews where I disliked my least favorite one. I would accept this, but it's my least favorite.
So you'd say they are all acceptable, except that others are better than that. Okay. So let's start with Monin. Monin. Okay. Monin is this one.
Oh.
Right. That's her number 2 choice.
Consistent. My number 2 choice.
Yeah, it's always been number 2, isn't
Yeah.
it? And Starbucks, which one do you think is it? What do you think?
This one.
This one. Well, yes, it is. And your favorite is actually Torani. This time, there's no Da Vinci.
No Da Vinci.
So maybe we'll get the best of this one and compare with Da Vinci next.
Yeah.
Okay, that's for another episode. So there you go. 3 different syrups, and does it really, I mean, would you be able to taste the difference? You know, what if somebody gives you a caramel macchiato, would you say it's not good or it's not as good as?
Yeah, I think now that I have 3 references, I can definitely say, oh, it's not as good as Torani, for example. Yeah.
Okay, well, you will find the recipes in my book, The Basic Barista. Yes, there it is. Details on how to order in the description box below. But anyway, the purpose of this video tutorial is to help you decide which brand to select for your caramel macchiato. So not one brand is the best for everything. I mean, personally, I like Monin for vanilla, but for caramel, definitely I'll go for another brand yet to come. And then I've really not used Starbucks in any of my recipes, and it's so good to be able to compare it and put it side by side with the other brands. Okay, well then, thank you very much once again, Christiana, and we look
Thank you.
forward to having you here soon. Yes, for more reviews.
Okay.
That's all we have today. Don't forget to click that subscribe button below for more of these video tutorials. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Ciao for now.
Bye.